obviously the differential in terms of the cost savings that a Tesla owner could have based on $60 versus $100 is significant. But that's not the reason why people are buying Teslas.
People aren't buying this car for
Right.
the cost difference. They're talking about the product performance, the user experience, the fact that it's an incredible car, and that there is some environmental benefits. So there's some personal brand value to that, and there's a great brand experience for all of these folks.
At the same time, I mean, when it comes to the growth story, part of it is growing their total addressable market, and part of that is selling more mainstream, lower-end vehicles to many, many more people. In November, we saw Prius sales go down 14% based on falling oil prices and falling gas prices. Are you concerned that if this maintains, we're in a low oil environment for a very long time, that when they roll that lower end model out, there's not going to be as much demand?
Well, I think there's two things you want to think about. The first thing is that you're not going to go to that low end of the market. You're only going to the BMW 3 type car, so you're not going to really see value buyers for this product at any point in the life cycle of that product. So we're not as concerned about that price point. The second thing that we're making a point about today in our research is that Tesla's addressable market is not just the transportation market, but is actually the larger power market. And we've been talking about Tesla as a transformative transportation company, but really we think about it now as a transformative power and energy company that's selling premium products both into the transportation market as well as into the stationary power market, which we think is just as big as that automotive market.
And so when you say stationary power, because we have Lyndon Rive on later on, I mean, are you thinking that there could be synergies with solar and specifically with a company like a Solar City? Is that what you're thinking about when you
Absolutely.
Okay.
And the fact that Elon has this portfolio of companies that he's involved in, it makes an awful lot of sense. And I think they are going to be selling power and power services into the electrical market, not only in the US, but around the world. So what we've seen from them in the industry conferences is that Tesla is actually presenting residential products that they're going to be introducing in second quarter next year and industrial products for the third quarter next year. And these are really high value products. And so our analysis today is suggesting that the margin on those products as we look out to 2018, 2020 are actually as compelling, if not more compelling than the automotive margins, especially as we see them ramp this gigafactory. So it's really two ways to win with this company as we go out over the next 3 to 5 years.